Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do hidroponik project.
Let's go.
The first step is to prepare the item.
Second step, draw a circle on the galon.
The third step is to make holes with solder.
The fourth step is to make a hole in the rock wall.
The fifth step is to put the seed into the hole.
Sixth step, wet and cut the rock wool. Seventh step, wet the net pot with water.
Eighth step, fill the gallon with water.
Next step, pour a mix liquid and water.
In the 10th step, insert the net pot into the hole.
The final step is to put the plant in the net pot.
Thank you for watching.